Christmas is supposed to be a happy, cheerful, positive time in your life, not, I don't want to look at my credit card bill. It's amazing how advertisers convince people to go swipe with the old credit card because it's not painful at the moment and you're getting, a great deal, you're getting a great buy, quote, quote, that's what they want you to believe.
For sure.
It's the hype, it's the advertising, it's the music, it's the excitement of the day to be part of the Black Friday atmosphere.
Some of the credit cards, because of some of the rise in the Fed interest rate and other things like that, now they're riding at 30 to 35% interest. So you have to understand that when you're buying something, if it takes you a long time to pay it off, that great deal that you got, if you just waited and saved up the money yourself, you probably actually could have paid for it cheaper just by paying cash.
But when the children were little, I was rather be broke and spend time with the children than be gone with them and watch them grow up when I'm not there.
Absolutely.
That's a life lesson that I made. And yes, I sometimes I look back and go, do you really think I made the right choices?